By JK. And no, don't hit me with that. No, stop. You already killed me.
Get him.
No, stop.
Done.
No, don't actually kill me.
Your
Stop.
chicken
JK. JK. Oh yeah, I remember that. Remember, I got 2 eggs that I can show you. No, I'm not. There's 1 hit.
Come on.
Stop. I'm gonna defeat you with this hoe.
No, you're not.
Okay, so stop. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Sorry, but hey guys, we're back, and it's Cat here. And we had to change the world, or else he would kill me, and we won't like that. He already killed me because we were trying to get up. He didn't. Well, he tried, and he knocked it, and I fell.
Oh, whoopsies!
That's my dog. Do not kill. Do not.
Ow.
Sit, boy.
Nudge.
Sit.
Nudge.
Sit.
Nudge.
I got
don't
some
like
pork
you.
chop.
I have my eyes on you.
There you go. Wait, don't shoot him. Just calm down. No. No.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you with a dinosaur.
That. I have a shiny one.
Yeah, so what? Yours is more pretty, but mine is more damage.
You just got rid of your diamonds.
Oh, sorry, doggy. I need to take you for a walk.
Walkies.
Hey guys, we're back in Cat's Cool. Another round. Next video will hopefully on be PC. But we won't be joined by JK in that video.
Aww.
But we still will. You can still see it, and you might like it. Hopefully leave a like.
Yeah.
Hey guys, and that's thanking you.
Leave likes for every video we make. Likes.
Yeah, and don't do bad.
Likes.
Yeah, likes are cool, bats are bad. No one likes the baddie bats. I am the best, so I
Get out of here.
Me?
No, your dog.
This is
Nudge him in the corner.
I'm gonna get him out.
Nudge him in the corner. Nudge him in. I just saw him go in the water, then he disappeared. Whoa. Ah!
What?
I'm stuck in here.
Oh, sorry, I forgot about you.
Whoa.
Now, be careful, doggy. Now, if you stand over here,
Yeah, move over.
I'm gonna make
Come
you
on,
sticky.
falling.
No, wait,
Yeah,
wait,
doggy.
stop. Leave it open. There's another guy. Okay,
So I'll nudge you in.
so you can stay there so you won't die. Okay? Okay? Is that okay? Yeah.
Nudge.
And no, what? No, doggy. Whoopsie. No, sorry. Wait, he's gonna teleport.
He's out.
Oh my goodness, you killed him there. You killed him there. Oh my god, you must be shocked. Here's some more. Here's some more. Dog. Hey. No.
That was my revenge.
You're never gonna kill him.
Yeah, I am.
If you do, I'm gonna blow up your house.
Don't worry, house. I'll save you.
Will you? Look what I have got. Already ready to kill my dog. Imagine when I set the flint and steel axe and then he set the dog on fire. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Hey, dog. He's not gonna do it again. Calm down.
I'll set you on fire.
Say, calm down, mate. Calm down.
I was trying to rub him.
Calm down. Okay, you already did. I'm just gonna put this here in case you accidentally kill my dog. In case you kill my dog. I have it ready. you
They
what.
have this.
Okay, doggy, do you want to come to France with me?
France. To the other base.
Oh, we forgot to go. You can come too. Wait, doggy, doggy, doggy. You sit here. Wait, no, doggy. Doggy, you stay there. Doggy, doggy, dog, go. Go. Bye, dog. I'll see you there. Bye. Be good, doggy. Don't teleport in front of me. Or else, oh. Careful you don't crash into a cactus by accident. Hi, wolf.
Where's Bones?
Hi, doggy. You're getting your own dog.
Good boy.
Bye. Okay, here at France. Doggy, are you here yet? Doggy? Oh, hi. Hello, doggy. Nice to see you again.
We haven't met in ages.
Well, on the plane we can but you teleported here. Just,
Oopsies.
I'm a better owner than you.
Sorry, I'll get you some pork chop.
Come on, let's go to this cabin. Do you like it? You can go to a different cabin if you don't like it, but I like it.
Now look, you stay here. I'll cook you up.
I didn't even
I'll get you some pork
get... You hit him. And I didn't even hit him once. And I'm even bringing him on holidays.
On holidays in France. To the villains.
Villains. Are they villains?
Now let's get you a sister.
We're not in war anymore. We used to be.
Look. And pork chop. Pork chop.
You too.
And they're marrying. They got
And then you won't remember which is which.
Yeah. So you stay.
Well, at least I own mine better than yours.
The puppy stays down here with his father.
Come on in.
Look, you come up here.
Yeah, nice talk. Come on, sit down here.
Come on.
I'll make the room.
Come on, you can get up. I know, I'll make a
You
dog
make some
house.
stories.
I'm making their own house.
I will. Soon.
Soon.
Yeah, after the holidays.
Hey, no, get back here. I've got a knife.
Bed. 2 beds. Wrapping table for this.
Here's your gonna be your puppy house.
Hey, do you like it? Alex likes the room looking around.
Wow, you have a lot of books.
Yeah, for my dog. You like it? I think he likes it. Bedtime, dog. Nighttime. No, yeah, over here.
Now, doggy, I'll let you in when it's finished, okay?
There you go. It's a nice bed. Night, night. Look at the dog. And him sleeping together.
Now, don't run away and get killed by zombie thingy mobs. What are you doing? Just looking at the roller coaster?
You don't even bring it on holidays.
Yeah, it's not holidays. I will when he gets his own house.
Yeah,
His own room.
Yeah, first I need to get him the holidays and then.
And I have a puppy.
So what? Then the dogs have to look after the puppy and they won't like that.
Now can you move
puppy. And soon he won't be a puppy. And then you won't remember which is which and they won't like you because their names. You get the names wrong, they won't like you.
Don't worry, I'll kill the 2 of them.
So then that's really cruel.
No, I'll keep them in your house.
No, you're not keeping them in my doghouse.
You can be the babysitter.
No,
Now sit down.
I work for one dog and that's enough.
Hey, Bob. Be a good baby and sit down. Oh, he wants to go in his house already.
Well, you don't even give him a bed, it's so dark.
He loves the dark.
Yeah, and you don't even give him anything in the bed. You're gonna give him a room with nothing in it.
Yeah, I'll give
Morning, doggy.
I'll give him everything he wants in the morning. I'll give him his
Morning, doggy.
Hello.
Why don't we go? I'll just get some doggy treats. You can run around the house. I'm just going to get some doggy treats.
Now
You
let's
can come
get-
with me if you get a bit bored. Okay?
Now let's get some torches for you.
He'll probably get bored. No, he's already bored. Hi. I just go to the shops. You want to come with me? Okay.
Okay, now let's make him a sand pit. So there's your sand pit. Oh, you smell.
Me?
Like rotten eggs.
So do you.
I think
Okay,
your dog's
that's the
dying.
end of the video.
Your dog's
I
dying.
hope you all enjoyed it. See you all later.
Your dog was dying by a cactus.
Bye.